If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. If you benefit from this video, please give a like and also share so others can benefit. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 4. In this lesson, we will learn هذه وتلك. هذه meaning this, وتلك meaning that. In the previous lesson, we have learned هذا meaning this, وذلك meaning that. What is the difference? هذا وذلك are used only for masculine words or gender. هذا وذلك are only used for masculine words or gender. So in this lesson, we will learn how to point towards feminine words or gender. Note to remember that all nouns in Arabic are either masculine or feminine, no matter whether they are humans, animals, or objects. And one more thing, that in Arabic there is no word for it as we have it in English. All nouns are referred to as he or she. So remember, there is no word in Arabic for it. We use he or she. So in this lesson, we will be learning هذه meaning this, وتلك meaning that, which are used only for feminine words or gender, meaning anything that is being pointed should be feminine. هذه meaning this, وتلك meaning that. So let's learn new words first. شاة, a goat. شاة, a goat. شجرة, a tree. شجرة, a tree. أم, a mother. أم, a mother. امرأة, a woman. امرأة, a woman. One question, how do we know feminine words? This ta, tanis, or tai marbuta, some people call it tai tanis and some call it tai marbuta. When this ta is at the end of the word, it will be a feminine word. For example, shatun, a goat. Shatun, a goat. Shajaratun, a tree. Shajaratun, a tree. Imratun, a woman. Imratun, a woman. And for gender, we have only one word, ummun, a mother. Ummun, a mother. So let's practice. هذه شاة. هذه شاة. This is a goat. هذه شاة. This is a goat. هذه شجرة. This is a tree. هذه شجرة. This is a tree. تلك أمي. That is my mother. أمي, my mother. تلك, that. تلك أمي, that is my mother. تلك امرأتك. That is your wife. تلك امرأتك, that is your wife. تلك, that, امرأتك, your wife. امرأتك, your woman, meaning your wife. تلك امرأتك, that is your wife. Let's review. هذه شاتك. This is your goat. Speaking to a female. هذه شاتك. This is your goat. وهذه شجرتك. And this is your tree. وهذه شجرتك. And this is your tree. You're speaking to a female. هذه شاتك وهذه شجرتك. This is your goat and this is your tree. تلك أمي. That is my mother. تلك أمي. That is my mother. وتلك امرأتك. And that is your wife. تلك أمي وتلك امرأتك. That is my mother and that is your wife. Tilka ummi wa tilka imra'atuka, that is my mother, and that is your wife. Let's see the use of هذه in the Quran. هذه القرية, this village. هذه القرية, this village. هذه القرية, this village. Here the word al-qarya is feminine, that's why هذه is used. How do we know this word is feminine? Because it has tanis at the end. هذه ناقة الله, this is the she-camel of Allah. هذه ناقة الله, this is the she-camel of Allah. Here the word naqatu is a feminine word. It has tanis at the end. هذه ناقة الله, this is the she-camel of Allah. قل هذه سبيلي, say this is my path. قل هذه سبيلي, say this is my path. Sabili is a feminine word. Sabili, my path. So sabil is a feminine word. That's why هذه is used. Some words you have to know if they are feminine. One is sabil. Sabil is a feminine word. في هذه الدنيا, in this world. في هذه الدنيا, in this world. So dunya is a feminine word. That's why هذه is used. And we have to know that dunya is a feminine word. So whenever you are reading Quran and you see هذه, a word comes with هذه, that is a feminine word. And you have to remember that word is a feminine word. Let's see the use of tilka in the Quran. Tilka amaniyuhum, that is their wishful thinking. Tilka amaniyuhum, that is their wishful thinking. Tilka ummatun, that is a nation. Tilka ummatun, that is a nation. Wa tilka adun, and that was Ad. Wa tilka adun, and that was Ad. And also when tilka comes with a word, that is a feminine word. But one more thing that we learn in the future, if the word is plural of non-human being, then tilka or hadihi will use. For example, amaniyuhum is a plural and adun is plural. That's why tilka feminine word is used. This we will learn in the future, inshallah. ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين. And do not approach this tree, then you will be among the wrongdoers. ولا تقربا, and do not approach. ولا تقربا, and do not approach. هذه الشجرة, this tree. هذه الشجرة, this tree. فتكونا, then you will be. فتكونا, then you will be من الظالمين, among the wrongdoers. من الظالمين, or from the wrongdoers. من الظالمين, among the wrongdoers. Here shajaratun is a feminine word, that's why هذه is used. هذه شجرة, this tree. Here one thing to notice and one thing to remember, that هذه شجرة meaning this tree. هذه شجرة does not mean this is tree or this is the tree. هذه شجرة means this tree because of the alif lam. When the alif lam comes, it means this tree. هذه شجرة, this tree. If you take out the alif lam, it will be هذه شجرة. هذه شجرة, this is a tree. If you read ولا تقربا هذه شجرة, do not approach, this is a tree. So the meaning changes. ولا تقربا, and do not approach. هذه شجرة, this is a tree. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not mean that. This is the story of Adam and Eve, or Hawa alayhi salatu wasalam, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to them, do not approach or do not get close to that tree. So هذه شجرة meaning this tree. ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين. And do not approach this tree, then you will be among the wrongdoers. One more note, that in the Quran sometimes tilka comes in the meaning of this as well. For example, وَتِلْكَ نِعْمَةٌ تَمُنُّهَا عَلَيَّ. And this is a favor of which you remind me. And tilka, this. Here the tilka meaning is this. Tilka, this. Ni'matun, favor. Ni'matun, favor. Tamunnuha, you remind me. Tamunnuha, you remind me. Alayya, on me. Here the word tilka is used for the meaning of this. Tilka meaning this. Rules to remember that in Arabic, hadihi wa tilka are used for feminine words or gender, meaning anything that is being pointed at should be feminine. Words to memorize: shatun, a goat; shajaratun, a tree; imratun, a woman; ummun, a mother; ummun, a mother. Try to take the quiz. The link is in the description. And there are quizzes of lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and also lesson 4, and their own lessons. It is your time to study and practice now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursalin, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.